Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A94. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and biometrics, and go to lock screen password. Confirm with your current password, and go to modify password. Now use a different password type, and as you can see right here we've got 4 types of passwords: pattern, 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password, and password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. Let's start with 4-digit password. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select 4 to 16-digit password. And now let's select password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. And the last method to unlock the phone is pattern. Let's select it. And now we can go back to set up fingerprint unlock. Now let's select add a fingerprint and simply scan your fingerprint on the sensor located at the bottom of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now let's use it to unlock the phone. Now we can go back and enter our face. Simply scan your face on this area. And now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.